Today is June 28th. I am actually going to harvest my potatoes today. As you can see, there is signs that potatoes are beginning to die off. Well, I'd like to pick them green, or rather young, and then plant a new batch, so I will have fresh new potatoes come September. So I have them growing in a simple garbage bag, actually two of them. One inside the other, so you can see there are two layers. I'm gonna cut the inside layer and transfer into the new bag, half of it, as I get the potatoes out. And then when it's light enough, I can lift it up completely and transfer everything into the external bag. So let's get to it. So I made an incision on the side, and I'm gonna slowly pull out soil. You can see a lot of roots here. Here are the young potatoes. Actually, I already picked some of them. I ate some of them yesterday, so I know. Oh, now that's much better. That's a proper good potato. Look at that. As you can see, I have another option, and that is to put these back into the soil. Potatoes are actually very resilient, and it will still grow. Here we go. Oh my goodness, they're densely packed. Look at that. These are beautiful potatoes. Lovely. So, slowly transferring them into this new bag. For some of these are too young. They could have still be growing, but oh well. So I need now both hands. I'm gonna pause for a second and get them transferred, and I will look at the totals.